Hey guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I'm not sure if this video will be long or short because I am playing with a new color that I've had for a long time. I never get it out because I look at the bottle and I'm like, ew. I guess it just looks like poo. It's violet oxide, and I paired it. This is my color inspiration today. I don't know why I'm inspired by this color, but I thought I would pair it up with a bunch of other colors and just try to do a bloom on a 12-inch round. If it works and looks okay, there have been several of you, and here's why. I normally don't take requests because there's just too many and I can't get to them all. But when 5 people write to you asking you to do big blooms and spin them out rather than deconstructing them, and they all nearly have the same name, I felt like it was kismet or something that I had to do it, because I heard from 2 Lauries with L-A-U-R-I-E, a Lori with an O, a Laura, and another one, a Lauren. So I'm like, that's weird, right? I mean, like in a good way, but I'm like, if all these people with nearly the same name want me to do something, then I'm gonna be like, aye, Captain, and give it a go. But first, let's practice it on this round. If it works, you'll get a twofer, and if not, you'll just see the single bloom today. Let's find out. Hey guys, excuse the mess. So this is obviously a scraped 12-inch cradle board. It's balsam wood, so I didn't really have to gesso it or anything because there's no wood grain really to lift up. And this, we'll see if this is, like I was saying, a short or long video. I'm color testing because I'm kind of enamored with this color right here. This is violet oxide. It looks better out of the bottle because in the bottle it looked like baby poo. So I don't know why this is the color of the day, but I've decided I want to build around it. And that's what normally happens when people ask me, how do you come up with your color combos? Usually I just get inspired by one and then I build around it. So that's the color of the day. And I'm pairing that with some Pearl X pigment in pink gold. Some iridescent copper light by Golden. And then I have a bit of golden teal. So those are the colors. And then I'm out of teal for Amsterdam as a cell activator. So I had turquoise blue, but they don't go. And so I'm thinking this is gonna it's gonna sit on the bench and doesn't get to play today. So I mixed up my usual, I can never remember the name. I have a mental block with permanent blue violet with a little bit of black oxide to make it super dark. It's super dark, but it's softer looking than straight black. So that's the cell activator color. And I've already gone, full disclosure, a couple times figuring out the order. And I think I have it. And if this works this time, then yay, I'll have a nice little painting, but B, well, you'll get a twofer, because then I'll get out a 12 by 24 and we'll do 3 large blooms on it, and we'll just give it a spin rather than deconstructing it or anything, since, oh, you know, all these ladies whose name begins with L keep asking me. So let's put my puddle down. Something like that. And then I found out it's best to have the teal first. So we're gonna go with teal first. I think I had like teal copper. I had the, you know, the red oxide, or violet oxide, I'm sorry, near the top. And that was a mistake. Because it's opaque and it was just, then it did look like baby poo. So we're gonna put it closer to the bottom. And we're gonna put it here. Yeah. And then maybe we do the copper first. And put copper on top of it. Ooh, that's pretty. I think last time I did the pink gold, but we'll put the pink gold on top of the copper. And maybe a little more on the violet oxide. And then, I don't know, a touch of teal, just so the dark cell activator isn't sitting on top of a dark color. We'll do that, and we'll see how this looks. Now I want to put some copper on top of the teal. Let's do that too. Oh my goodness. All right. All right. Lots of cell activator for this one too, because I want it to spread out. So I'm gonna make a big puddle of cell activator. And I think my cell activator might be a smidge too thick because it's haloing or getting, you know, the halo around it, but slowly. And I like to see that pretty much instantaneously, but let's see what happens. So, low fan, cool air. Oh my gosh. Wow, super happy with this color combo. Yay! And this is why I filmed. This is why I started my YouTube channel, because I would never remember that order. So I gotta play this back and remember what the hell I just did. But yeah. Go red, violet. I keep calling it red oxide, and it's violet oxide. The other one's more brick color than this. Let me give, excuse my head, I'm going to give it just a little puff right in here. There, maybe. That already has a giant one. Let's set that, oh wait, one more spot. Let's let that all collect for a second. My neighborhood is so noisy. Like, I had to close the door so you guys couldn't hear the cicadas droning, and the people that take care of the common areas in our neighborhood, they were out with the leaf blower, and obviously there are no leaves. They were blowing the cicadas, and I made the mistake of like going out to see like, what are they doing out there? And oh my God, just like mounds of them that they were blowing around. So I was like, yeah, I'm coming back in. Like, it's fine. Like, we see, if you see one or two, because they're always stuck to our screen door, and you just kind of like flick them off the screen door, you know, in small numbers, they're completely harmless, except they do pee on you. So like, you can't walk your dog under any trees, and we have a ton of trees, because apparently they will pee on you. That's about their only defense. Anyway, but when you see them in like, in the thousands, it's just, it's too much. Too much to handle. I don't like this one spot. Hold on. And it's like, make those cells touch. There we go. All right, we ready? I have high hopes. Cross our fingers for this one. groovy color combo. Let's stop it right away and see, because I can't wait. Oh, I love it. Yay. Okay, that's a winner. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Go violet oxide. I want to take a little bit of that off. Oh my gosh. Yep. Loving this color combo. None of that. Did it get smaller at least? It's gotten smaller. I think maybe one more time. One more time. Yes. Oh my goodness. That's a winner for me. Yay. All right. So I'll get you down for a close-up of this guy. Maybe I should make it 2 videos, like part 1 and part 2. Let's do that. That way I have a nice short video up for a change instead of one that's 40 minutes. I'm going to clean up my fingers. We'll get you guys down for a close-up. I'll show the dried results at the end of both paintings at the end of part 2 of this video. So this is part 1, just a 12-inch cradled wood round to test the colors. And now we'll go big and spin out like a 12 by 24. Be right back. Okay, here's the close-up of the wet results of this 12-inch wood round. I'm really quite happy with this color combo. I think it's going to look great on a larger canvas. I love how I got cells within cells there and there. Sorry for the glare from my window. I turned out my lights. There's my stuff from the last video hanging out still. Let me come around this side. Over here, there's the violet oxide right there. That's what started it all. So I like how I have it as lacing, and then I have it in cells too. And try to come up high and get the whole thing. So there it is. You'll see the dry results at the end of part 2. Now, let me flip around and say goodbye. Where's the dot? Okay, that's it for me today, guys. Quick and easy, part 1. We got the colors down in the order. And then in part 2, and I'll post these videos pretty much back to back. In part 2, we're gonna do 3 large blooms, and per request from all these ladies, we will just spin them out and leave them as blooms. So I'll see you guys shortly, and until then, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.